In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email announcements from Kit. We'll walk through the entire process together, from creating your announcement to choosing exactly who should receive it, to sending it right away or scheduling it for later. By the end, you'll be able to confidently send professional email broadcasts to your audience using Kit. First, let's create your draft. In your Kit dashboard, look for the Send section and then click on Broadcasts. This is where all of your one-time email announcements live. In the Broadcasts area, click the New Broadcast button. Kit will now prompt you to choose how you want to start your email. You can select a pre-built template if you already have a style or layout you like, or you can choose the starting point option if you prefer a completely blank layout. Templates are handy if you send similar announcements often, while a blank layout is great when you want full control over the design. Once you've selected your starting point, go ahead and write your announcement. This is the main content your subscribers will see, so be clear about what you're announcing and why it matters. Don't forget to add a subject line at the top. The subject line is what helps convince people to open your email, so keep it short, specific, and relevant to the announcement. When you're happy with the content of your email, it's time to choose who will receive it. Click the Continue button in the bottom right corner. On the next screen, you'll see a section labeled Who would you like to send this to? By default, Kit selects all subscribers, which means everyone on your list will receive the broadcast. If you want to narrow this down, click Edit in that same section. Then choose Add a Filter. Here you can define which subscribers should receive the email. For example, only people with a specific tag. Tags are useful if you group subscribers by interest, product, or behavior. Once you've applied the filters you need, click Update to save your audience selection. Now you're ready to send or schedule your announcement. Click Continue again to move to the final preview screen. Take a moment here to quickly review your subject line, content, and audience, just to make sure everything looks correct. If you're ready to send the email immediately, click the Send Broadcast button. Kit will send your announcement right away to the audience you selected. If you prefer to send it later, look for the option that says Send Now and click the pencil icon next to it. Choose the future date and time that works best for your audience. Then click Schedule Broadcast. Your announcement will be queued and automatically sent at the time you selected.